The Sony RX1Rii Mark II is a remarkable point-and-shoot camera that packs a punch with a full-frame 42-megapixel sensor and a 35mm Zeiss lens. Despite being 8 years old, it's still considered a premium compact and is quite pricey. I had been eyeing this camera since its release and was thrilled to finally get my hands on one last year. What makes this camera so special is its tiny size body and a full-frame sensor. It's a camera that easily fits in your pocket, making it ideal for capturing spontaneous moments, but with the quality and power of a professional mirrorless camera. The Zeiss Sonnar lens is a marvel on its own, producing sharp and crisp images with a beautiful bokeh. The camera is also packed with a pop-up electronic viewfinder, which is always handy in sunny weather conditions. To ensure that my Sony RX1R2 stays in mint condition, I decided to cover it with a protective skin. These skins provide an extra layer of protection against scratches, scuffs, and everyday wear and tear. This gives me more confidence to take it with me wherever I go, knowing it's protected and ready to capture the beauty of the world around me. It's a camera that truly stood the test of time and continues to be a joy to use.